Hey there, foodies and culinary explorers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating fusion of flavors that will make your taste buds travel across continents. Imagine a culinary adventure where Japan meets Mexico, specifically the Baja California region. It's a unique blend that's taking the food scene by storm, and we're here to uncover its secrets. You might be thinking, wait, isn't Mexican food all about tacos and burritos? Well, my friend, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Mexican cuisine is incredibly diverse, and it varies drastically from one region to another. This is exactly what Chef Alfonso Brito, the mastermind behind Monarca in Salt Lake City, wanted to showcase. He teamed up with the Mexican consulate to bring Chef Oliver Seki, a culinary wizard from Ensenada, Mexico, to their city. Now, Chef Seki's cuisine is a masterpiece of cultural fusion, aptly named Japan-Baja. It's like a culinary bridge connecting the vibrant flavors of Mexico with the delicate nuances of Japanese cuisine. And the best part? He prepared a dish right in front of an eager audience at Monarca. We're talking about tuna tartar, a mouth-watering blend of bluefish tuna, and a mayonnaise-based sauce. What makes this truly remarkable is the attention to detail, hand-mixing spices and blending ingredients to create a masterpiece. Personally, I find this level of culinary craftsmanship fascinating. It's not just about the final dish, it's the process, the tradition, and the cultural exchange. Chef Seki's dedication to making mayonnaise from scratch is a testament to his respect for traditional methods. It's tiring, as he said, but it's an art form that adds depth to the dish. This event was more than just a cooking demonstration. It was a cultural exchange, a way to expose Salt Lake City's food enthusiasts to the diverse world of Mexican cuisine. And Chef Brito is no stranger to culinary experimentation. At Monarca, he plays with different food traditions, blending Mexican styles with Peruvian, Mediterranean, and local influences. Just imagine tacos with caviar. It's this creativity that keeps the culinary world exciting. Chef Seki's Japan-Baja cuisine is a reflection of his heritage. With a Japanese grandfather, he brings a unique perspective to Mexican seafood dishes. And this fusion trend is catching on globally. Chefs are embracing the versatility of Mexican cuisine and creating extraordinary blends. What this suggests is that food is a universal language, connecting cultures and traditions in the most delicious ways. So the next time you bite into a taco or savor a sushi roll, remember the vast culinary world out there. It's a tapestry of flavors waiting to be explored. This collaboration between Monarca and the Mexican consulate is a beautiful example of how food can bring people together and celebrate cultural diversity. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and let your palate be your guide to the world.